I want to
we will go to the club. You'll be admiring those people on sexy dress. You'll be admiring them. See this auntie, she's so fine. Like you'll be telling them how they do.
Maybe you feel like I
swear with your life that that's what you used to do. You see them, you'll be running off.
If I see girl, we say nyash, they walk out for road. I go tell my baby say, see big nyash.
It's not possible. No.
This one won't make I you won't make I the iPad like that. See my baby, any woman with the iPad side say see big nyash, say see this. I don't like the person.
You right to hype any woman there. Shut up.
See, my baby. Oh my god.
Why will you hype her? Why you go hype her? Why you go hype her? Why would you hype her?
He's not say hype. If I tell you say this one big nyash, now because say he expose her body and I go never marry her. All this time where the only side
that not a use sense. Not a use sense for anybody.
Very manipulative person.
Yes. For there. You mean once you hype, why make you not keep your mouth shut? Why make you the hype?
If you my baby, you know Sabi wants to be happy.
You know Sabi waiting your mouth they bring out. You know Sabi am. Yes. Because now you hype another woman in front of your woman.
Yes.
Do you think?
Yes.
Do you think?
Big Yashi na hyping. Say, Big Yashi is na hyping.
Yes, na hyping.
Big Yashi. So all these days, why they tell you say you get Big Yashi? Na hyping and they hype you.
Yeah, like yes, Peller.
Now you're
you gonna talk about another place. You say that you know pass. You say that you smart pass.
Let me tell you something. Sorry, any girl where they have to say you get Yash, oh my God. I know if you marry the girl and I know if you do get friends with the girl.
Bro, let me hear one.
The girl is just for that moment. You don't say, let me tell you one thing about boys or mans. Most mans you see girls. Most mans on the see a lady.
Many. You can be mans.
No mans. I mean say there's anything we don't pass to now. Else we go add. So
your empty brain is men. It's men.
Leave me now.
Olodo is men. Olodo is men. It's
man, if you like making a man, you if you hype any lady, we expose her body. He no feel married. He was planning for the moment. He don't want me the girl. He just want me the girl come feel him.
Your mentality is not true.
My mentality is true. I need the man.
His mentality is true and dirty. Miss Sandra, don't worry, Peller. Today I will have guys in front of you. Ajay, no, they do one like that.
You dey crazy. Now today they do one. Don't worry, you get chest. You know the gym. You know the gym.
Now me say when you be like skeleton.
Shut up. So why you don't know? Say you don't know. Say you do one.
Let your chest come outside. Big guy with your caricature skeleton bone chest. I don't know what I use it for. Go and gym, go and make it wider. You're a man. You're supposed to be gymming. It will give you a nice figure. Yes, I cannot be gymming. I'm be happy with God.
Say the way God
looking like boom.
Thank you for the money gone. You don't know. Say the way God did create human being, the difference. The way God did not create me, he just schedule me that down. Say
it's not about God. It's about God has done the best.
Shut up.
Do the rest. It's not funny. It's not funny.
No, it's better. It's not serious now. Now stress is there. Jealousy won't finish Peller.
I don't be saying that scene. That scene no funny. It's not be jealousy. You want to finish him. Jealousy. No. I don't like his. What is jealousy? Jealousy for me.
No. Don't
just tell her the good thing. This one, I'm telling you the fact. See,
Peller, I am wonderfully and beautifully made. And it is right as a woman to always see our beauty, our glory, and our beauty day. You have to show it. Yes, I know that I cut my hair down, but I have a good body. And to be so nice, it's not that about showing it off or exposing my pants or yarn. It's about dressing decently. And I know you're
not so decent. That's the way you
want to wear. It's as decent as any other thing.
See that girl with your back. Now this she dey wear. You see, I say wear.
You see her at the club later. She's going to dress cute.
You are going to the club, boy. You're not going to church. And she's hosting.
If you see what Jarvis tell me when we get to, you are staying beside my friend. You are doing this. You don't do it.
Miss Sandra, you know that yesterday I requested for a girl around because I did not like the fact that not only me be the girl among all of them. You know, looking bored and weird. So they brought her for me. This woman rapper guy could not stay with his guys. He was chewing-gumming her. He was string gumming.
Sabena, no, they do that thing.
You can't imagine.
No, they do that
thing. When you see woman, Mr. When Peller see woman, he does not have teeth. See, I'm embarrassed. And Mr. Do you know that when your man, no girl can talk to your man, you know that's a big flex. When no girl can talk, it's a big flex for ladies.
Guys, the same Jarvis.
Did you see our boyfriend? Did you see our boyfriend there? Good. You know, see our boyfriend there. Our boyfriend is somewhere.
Guys, the same Jarvis will go tell me say, why are you always being deaf to my friends? See, if I be deaf to this girl, she will never in her life come here. I be evil.
Did she come there for you? Did she come there for you?
I be nice, why? No, me say I be nice. I'm gonna say I don't get home for her.
The people that took us to the club.
When she's with that girl, you to be with your boys. Now, so you did one.
The highest he can do is to say hi. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Thank you for keeping my babe company and all that.
I don't do those ones.
Then why are you sitting close to her? Shameless monkey.
My baby is my own friend. My baby is my own friend. My baby is my friend. So my baby friend is my friend.
Your baby is your friend, Abi. Don't worry. Those uncles them, they will be my friend.
Shut up. They don't be your friend. You don't talk to them.
I don't talk to them.
Why your friends you don't talk to me in Slabo?
Did you see me sit down near them? Did I sit down near them?
Okay, wait. So Peller,
I did not sit down near the girl. I made the girl defy us because I know sit down in hand. He Billy. And the girl defied us.
Do you know that this boy is a very bad person? Do you know that one day on live streaming, he did video saying that he wants to see my reaction, saying Olosho they are here, that he will carry Olosho this and that.
Can you say
I have a very bad reaction. You know what? First of all, I gave him distance. I avoided him. People not sit down and say avoid him. This boy still came close to me and was saying it. So now hit him. Do you know that this bad person he can't post him so that they will drag me to be able to say they drag at that time say he hit too much. And now recently on live stream he's always saying that I'm beating him. I cannot beat a man, no. I'm not a man beater. A woman can
it's okay, man. Shut up.
You shut up your mouth.
This girl in Mumu, I they only watch all the YouTube lover people. Say one guy, the guy they carry phone like this, he go in girlfriend. If you tell your girlfriend, say, oh my god, see that guy is going fine. The guy feel it and say, the guy feel do, stop, don't be saying that. This way no romantic. He punch be like man punch. You go the punch, you have fulfill the job for your.
Do you know why my punch is like a man punch? Because you look like a toy. Because you not get power and I just boom through your body. That's why small stuff I go stop and I go they cry. But if it's a real man, say I hit like that, you go not say my punch, not the enter.
Even though he pay me, I don't cry you. Me, I do like a man. I know if you think go down. I don't put some new. This one because he won't make the drag. Wait till the water. If they drag Jarvis, I go divert attention to my face. I will do one party where say people go focus on me. This one I don't know anything.
She dashed me. She gave me the white jumpsuit as well, so I'm taking it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my god, that jumpsuit is cute. Oh, you just open it.
You sure so like, no go wear around? No,
wear the black one. Wear the black one. The black one in heel for the short baby.
Oh wait, I wear this one in London.
Yes. John suit. They give you man clothes. They are giving you John suit, Wally. Why John? You lie.
It's John.
This guy go wear the bola something. If they call you,
jumpsuit. You know me man clothes. It's called jumpsuit.
They will wear John something. I have problem with that.
If you see that jumpsuit Peller, it's fine.
It's me like go and wear pants. It's none of my business. Don't worry, Messiah. You will see the screen record.
Baby, I swear for my God, if you dress like a mad woman being, come, I swear to all my God, you see your load, I will put it outside.
Peller, and when you put it outside, I will see somebody that God will send to me and take me somewhere better. And I've never seen before.
They love really. You don't
know.
Love.
It's about God.
Let me tell you something.
Do you know the funny thing? You go to talk as now you pay for the hotel. No queue there. So you don't even have any right to put my load outside.
I'm the man of this hotel. I'm the man of here. Tabeda, this one no say if God if God the mark best love of the year. I swear I will collect award from God and I'm the lover person. I love like mad. It's gay. You don't know what's say no time, my baby. We our outside man is very crazy. But we put body say maybe we use our relationship. We go relationship.
But I said you get married to me. So when you get married, you still have more of relationship stuff to do. So no rush. Where the rush go?
So maybe a boyfriend and girlfriend they do relationship, YouTube something. Say.
Oh, keep quiet. I don't like your mentality. It's so dirty. Besides, there's one Christy. I don't know who know her. She's outside. Christy Sarah. Like this woman is married to a chef and she has 2 children. Like they are love. Like they do this together. Like that is even sweeter.
What thing we go to do?
We are still young. We are still pushing our own separate careers. When we get married,
see, money go to enter. No be play. As imagine say
But when you still get married, nothing changes now. What's wrong with you? Nothing changed now.
I will not do some kind prank with you. I will push better.
Do you know that is when we even get married and those things will even be sweeter? Like those things will be more sweeter.
We gonna kiss.
Yes, and you can do things. You can kiss. You can romance because you are my man, I'm your woman, so nobody.
I swear to Almighty God, I am your man like this. I don't know why you are not accepting.
No. You gotta do the needful. All these ones not be.
Tell Jarvis.
This is your man. You're not yet married.
You know good though. Sarabenda, I don't say if they get that mentality, say he go leave me. Because me I tell and say me I don't leave him. Any small thing. We are not married.
I bet tell this guy that anytime he's dreaming something for me, made a dream better to say I bag better deal, I buy house, I buy car. Like not be say break up, but guy dream good thing, Jarvis. Every time break up.
I be one type of person where we say I know the dream. If I dream like this, it happen. The day where I dream, say you. That better. I get one dream for you, but that dream, you go need to pray for your life. See, if my dream, if I dream, it dey happen.
What did you dream about? Wait. What did you dream about me?
No, I go tell you this. That dream, pray in your life.
You said that Peller dey lie for a dream. Most I don't believe everything.
Tell me for what will be the dream?
I swear for my school. The day I tell my schoolmates say they go flog her for school that day, they flog her. All this one no go they believe me. I dream say they beat them and they beat them. I dream say they send me home from school and they send me home. They say I no pay school and they send me home. It dey happen. You, Jarvis, I say Jarvis, I dream say you break up with me. Say you leave me, you follow one foolish man.
I'm saying that cemetery. Peller, see where people used to die. See cemetery, see their
Let
grave.
me see.
Cemetery is fine.
Cemetery is fine. They go now.
What did you dream about me?
I will tell you the dream later.
No, Peller, tell me. Don't put me for eye job. Tell me the dream. What will be the dream?
Miss Andra, I did not dream anything.
I swear, my baby. I swear, when she want to go and pump her BBL more, the thing burst. I swear to God.
Yeah, something's wrong with your head.
Now I don't want to tell you for here. You're not going to believe
What
me.
did you tell me? That one.
But Miss Andra is natural now. What?
This will be take your time. You know, be
Miss
natural.
Andra is natural, Peller.
My baby, my dream no dey lie to me. Me don't
Miss
calm
Andra is
down.
natural. Miss Andra is natural.
Sarabenda. No.
Oh, shut up, bro.
No do it.
Bro, shut up, please.
Sarabenda. No reload.
Peller, you don't go better for you, wallahi. You know.
Sarabenda, I know they say no go better for me, no go better for you.
Who will they talk to like that? Who will tell you what Bishop might not be low?
Maybe not dream. Now why I don't want to tell you the dream? You know go the answer person. I know go tell you my dream again in this life. Allah.
Bro, you speaking trash in it.
Babe, give me water. Sarabenda. I tell my baby say you go break up with me. My baby, you don't listen to me. Tell her say me you know they put that mentality in her head. If you break up with me, I be risky man. I go risk their life. Him and your sponge.
Every time I'm repeating one word, you know they change. Every time they repeat the same format.
Because me,
change the format.
See, Sarabenda, anything, nobody see. If you break up with me, how do you think you will be living in this life? No way. No way.
Now people like you, God like to test. That's the funny thing. The way you
See,
talk a lot. God like to test people
see,
like you want to see what you want to do actually.
Now lie you. If you
and at the end of the day,
if you break up with me, I won't lie. Say that God test me. No, God no.
No, you see, there's power in your mouth. As long as you're repeating it every time,
yes.
you go stop.
My baby, just try me. Try me, leave me.
Not me go try you. Now your mouth now go make it happen.
Just try me, leave me.
Then be positive. There are better positive things to say than break up. So shut up about this break up. It's annoying.
No, not dream what I dream.
Bro, quiet, Jarvis. It's no longer funny.
You don't talk the truth more than time. Let them be. Why you know what we feel? You don't have.
If you see waiting my fans, they test me. If you see waiting my fans, they test me yesterday. Ask Jarvis, I show her one.
You said I should test you fans, they take some, and waiting they test her.
I show her one where they want to test me. They want to say, Peller, this UK where you did. Give Jarvis better. Okay. Use. You say me I use better.
Let me fully stop from them. Like, it was annoying.
They say this UK is your opportunity to give her, to make sure use better pills. So you deal with some, so you go last longer. I swear so all my single. I showed Jarvis now.
That's trash. I swear it was embarrassing, eh? Like, how will you be telling somebody what to do? Especially in sexual life. That's crazy. But I trust me and my baby, we are virgins. Till marriage do us part.
Oh wow.
Why are you laughing? You see, say that everybody go be like you.
Peller.
I don't be fighting. You can't be like, say fighting yes. Yes, you, my dear.
You don't say anything. You go suffer, idiot. Why you got your mouth? Okay.
Who will suffer? Who said told me that one? I swear, thank God for my life. I thank God for my last year when we now I thought say me and my baby, our glory they mash. That time when I come UK with them Joe Black and Pokio, when we come to Jesus, Sarabeda, we be like one poor woman. Now the only thing we don't do be say we don't go road be beg for money. Okay, what kill me? Yes, you know, since that time where I come UK, I think count how many times where I join people live stream. I think count how many times where I go live. We don't see food chop. What I want kill us. Not even food. If not because say we dey live with person, we don't go see food chop.
Wow. What's that?
My baby, where they take you go like this? Let me see that place.
That person house they go.
Maybe they waka anyhow.
Honestly. That person house they go.
Sorry, live stream. Hope it doesn't. I'll try not to invade your privacy. Thank you, ma'am.
You like it?
This one would do like say get expensive too much. I think they worry yourself.
I'm on live stream.
That's true now. When you go person, you go tell us.
But baby, now that you dey waka, where your manager did?
Please, believe me. Okay, let's stop.
So now that you dey walk around.
Yes.
I'll look for the link and share it.
Already told you Wale UK, Egbami.
Why are you scared?
Who is scared? I'm not scared. You want to share clothes?
Okay. So is it very, very strategic? The boyfriend. Listen to me. The girlfriend, boyfriend, not Taylor. The one I made that clothes. Like 2 inches in.
In the style Jarvis.
One here. Yes, they give it Taylor. The clothes too big for Jarvis, so they won't tailor the clothes. Make it. You go about clothes. The boy that Taylor. Yes, a fashion designer. Yes, a guy now. That's why she come with him. A fashion designer.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yes, now you know you hear him. And the boyfriend has the don't go so. The boy that the studio, the boyfriend studio, they do fashion dress. So you want adjust that dress.
You want adjust. Hey, put camera. Let us see what you guys are doing.
I don't go camera. Calm down now. You can't
Fuck up
accept
with that girl this time you just come my head, you want mad. Not try me, oh.
No, me now, the camera they did.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon,
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Na person first be that. See, Jarvis, they do like slave.
Hey, calm down. Now respect.
No, you know, I only make my baby feel like a queen around me. But my baby outside is feeling like a root.
Yeah, leave him. Now UK, you gotta show people respect. Now,
no, those people thought say they know they show them respect. That yesterday, I want buy something. I say, sir. The man say, don't call me that. My name is David. So
yeah, you can say hi, Davy. Or you can say thank you, sir.
So I know they do that. I don't like this.
Babe, why are you shouting? I have Steve.
My baby, they say that they also mend you.
Yeah, those are made that clothes. The clothes what they wear, the robot clothes. The one just are big.
Okay, a robot's clothes.
Yeah, the guy will help make you look nice for our body.
Hey, why you got to do? You want to help and touch him? You want to help and do that? What's he happen now?
Her boyfriend is a style, is a tailor.
You know, cause I'm you. That service, you know, cause I'm you. Because shoot you the mad. That day where that girl just touch my head. You want buy. No man, you see. If I go back to that Lagos, now this girl will style me. And anything where you want to do, you go do him. I get my boyfriend did decide this. This go, man, I know they do like that. See happen.
I forgot my mic because I'll take it later. What were you saying? Sorry, what was he saying? What did you say?
Okay. Give me shady all the days. You carry somebody shady. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed of yourself? See, that girl now, you don't pop picking. You give me shade. He said, you gotta put some money in my head. My baby, if you give me shade, I will buy you a motor. I will buy you cars. Hey, I will buy you this car. Escalades. Escalade. I go buy ya.
Cyber truck, if you not do, relax.
Shut up. What's I could call the use?
You use bicycle now.
If you don't board that picky like this, we go put it on kaka for her.
Sandra, tell him that if I have a child, I will not use my child for content. You better tell him.
I did tell Jarvis. When we teach our picking way. See, my picking it go be picking of the year. See, you get what I can't plan for my child, you guys see. Oh Lord.
Listen. That is why you're a content creator. That's why you're hustling your hustle. No child of mine is going to be a content creator. But start using it at the age of 18. At that time, we will give her. She will not even know about the account. Because when you're saying, I know you want to create content. I'm feeding the baby. I'm watching the baby yash. I'm carrying the baby.
I swear, I don't go do those one. God forbid. If my baby born pikin, I go read for social media for time. Like I'll be a father, I'll be taking out. I like shy.
This idiot one carry pikin on social media. Do you have sense at all?
I not carry pikin on social media. We talk something.
Oga, I'm not doing.
So wait, they say you should know the work. Peller, so you can't carry your pikin, they do tap.
I don't carry my pikin do tap. Hear me. Now we don't even upgrade it. I'm not gonna cut it up like that again. Whoa. But my baby don't know something. This life now plans. Jesus. No, my baby we go me bassage money. It go. See, some better I get some people where they always still test me and say, are you guys real in date? Because it gets some kind of thing. When they want, like some people won't give me a nervous some kind of big, but they want to know maybe our loving, saying are real because people they do fake. Well. So people they do fake for TikTok, YouTube, anywhere they do fake. They'll just be on contract. If they say people like them together, they will go. After when they finish live stream, let me teach you some celebrity where they do loving online. See, when they end the live stream, the guy beside now. Why they just send the live stream like this? Look at social distance. If your bond will touch me, I will lift you. My baby, go put yourself for this young kid. See, sometimes the girl boyfriend go follow the guy. The girl go the guy house, but go show face for camera. He go know say his boyfriend just do content. He go show. Oh, I don't sabi anything. So people like they want to know deep down. Say, are you really this?
So you said like I give her bikini.
In the any small thing, even if Jarvis see anybody from anywhere, they just say, if anybody call Jarvis, Peller wife, next thing this one Uganda people like this. Yesterday they say, where is your wife, Peller? Where's your? And my baby went there and say, I have not put money in my head. Don't call me his wife. Why is he doing that thing? That thing no nice. I don't like it. Especially that one. The next 60 minutes you go come on, go chop. Me, I come out now.
Baby on the live stream. Jarvis, baby for live stream. Don't forget. Jarvis.
You know they hear what do.
Jarvis, give her one.
Give who?
Peller, give her one. You don't come.
Who's Peller?
And you go love her more.
Who's
Peller, give her one.
Our blood is not even together. Like me and my baby blood. We have the same blood. We do.
You guys are blood. Give her one. And you go to the company. Don't tap the.
Sandra, sometimes they talk when you talk my heart. And they shock me. As per saying a woman you be. That's what you do for your house.
Peller, do it quick now. Do the right thing.
Let me tell you one thing about me. When people you don't know. Guys, let me tell you. You know my daddy. My daddy, my daddy have like 4 wives. My mommy is the first. See, you know my daddy. If he give you like this, if maybe the girl, you know the grip of picking. If my daddy give you, you go born once. Allah. So now the same blood of my papa, me I carry come this world. So any girl, if I do something with you like this, you have. If you don't have pregnancy, that means I do not do anything with me and you do not. That's why I tell you I'm still a virgin. People still don't believe me yet. Any day me and my baby do something, see, you go just see my baby carry. We know they do it twice for our family before you carry pregnancy. We are the real warrior hero. See, you get one name where they call us for our family. We know they use eyes. See, if you see, you don't know also. See, if I did not wear anything, if I just hold the girl from back, like if the girl did not have pregnancy, is still up because we are our body sharp. We strong.
Children of Solomon, children of Solomon, children of Solomon.
Children of Solomon guiding. So you say Solomon guiding. Celebrate that. My baby, if I touch you once, fear, and you don't give me pregnancy, there's a problem wrong with your body. And even though you have a problem, our own, they call it LP tenure. It's a bond. It's a bond.
Sandra, can you tell him that he's muted so I can't hear him actually? Because I don't want sound so disturbing.
But she said she meets you. No,
our problem does. Have you Musam? Mike. And I true, have you Mutamu?
Oh, shut
But she said moderator for here. That's why she be moderator.
You can't move me. Boy, you dey hear me.
I dey hear you. And I believe say she dey hear you. She dey hear you.
She mumu na. She go see square code. Now they tell you. You free body once. You gotta touch you, baby. Don't worry. Tabela, bye-bye. I won't come and say we can't carry myself. Myself, they come out.
Be careful.
Guys, I'll be on kick. Guys, I'll be on kick now. Go and destroy UK. We work out like my person.
Enjoy. Your man has gone.
What? Yes, I just read it. Hey, baby.
Lion seller. She doesn't they play a game like this. Your man don't go.
Sandra, let me leave you two now.
Are you okay?
Or you don't have anybody to talk to?
No, if you want to stay, I can still stay with you now.
I'm going back to our hotel now. I have to go and change food.
You don't gotta change your room. Have you eaten?
Oh yes, I ate. No, it's good. It's fine. Sure. Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you. No worries. If you just waste but now it's free. Oh, you're looking at the time. Like you just did now.
Guys, please drop your heart memes. Everybody drop your heart memes. Gemma, it's my claim your point, guys. Drop your heart memes. Oh, that's what school bag you carry.
Our YouTube is not working. Tell her how. My YouTube is working, guys.
YouTube is not working. Let's check. Hold on. Sorry, YouTube.
That's how he's working, Ashe.
I want to check. Hold on. Oh, mother for some network safe. I'm having problem network.
I was on TikTok live stream. That's why I had not had the time. So I have done my suit, I've done my hair. It's time to go and dress like a roll out and walk on the street of UK. Let's see the reactions of people here. Okay. Yeah, okay. Just transmit. Sandra, go and play a game. Don't worry. Go and play a game.
No. If you want to stay, I can stay with you now. So don't worry. I'm good. Guys, drop your heart means.
How is my YouTube not working, guys? It's working. No. It's not working.
Hold on and check. I've not checked because. Hold on. YouTube. Let me see. I mean, you guys are lying. Jarvis. Let me see. It's working now. They are deceiving you. It's working. Jarvis is working.
Sandra, they say I should focus on one place. Don't worry, when I get to my hotel, I'll call you.
Okay,
back.
all right, baby. Okay.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Be safe.